Using the Sassea wrap is super easy. We're going to start with the middle loop. You're going to make a ponytail anywhere in the back of your head, side, whatever height you prefer. I like mine low for water sports. You're going to take the shorter band, put it over your dominant shoulder, put the longer band over your less dominant shoulder. So if you're right-handed, your shorter band and your ponytail go over your right shoulder. From here, we just start to wrap, coil the band around the ponytail. Now you can experiment with tension and distance apart because they all give different effects. If your hair is super silky, or if you're using the Sassea wrap to wave your hair, you're going to want to use a texturizer or curl definer in your hair first. Once you coil down to the end, you're going to tie off with the bottom loop. Okay. And you can make any adjustments you want. Now we're going to take the longer cord and we're going to wrap the longer cord around your hair in the opposite direction. And we just go all the way down. Again, you can experiment with length, with tension, distance between your coils. And then we're going to tie off the second band to the bottom of the hair. That's all there is to it.